Good morning from Universal Orlando Resort. It is Saturday and the crowds are pouring in. It is quite crazy how many people are coming in. It seems like it's going to be a little rough social distance wise, so today I'm just going to take it easy, make sure I keep my distance and wash my hands when I can. There seems to be a ton of people coming in. I'll be sure to give you all a shot of that. I'm going to be going to check out the new Jurassic Park roller coaster, get an update on that. Seems to be moving along pretty quickly. I know speculation is for next year, but who knows? Maybe this winter we'll be able to see the Velocicoaster in action. So let's head on into Islands of Adventure. It's just approaching 10 a.m. I'm going to let the crowds roll in first and just mosey my way in after that. Hoping y'all are well. Let's head into the park. We have made it inside Islands of Adventure. Straight from the entrance is Seuss Landing right over there to our right. There are these new U-Rest areas here. So you're heading to the park with your masks. There are certain U-Rest areas where you are able to remove your mask and just enjoy some space by yourself, with your friends, without having to worry about our masks. So heading down to this area here, you get a fantastic view of the new Jurassic Park roller coaster. Holy moly. Honestly, y'all, I'm very excited to ride this once it opens. What a great view. We got Hogwarts in the back there. We have the Hulk right here to my left. All right. Wow. Let's head on around and get a better view of the park. When you enter through Islands of Adventure, when you head right, you head over to Seuss Landing, and when you go left, you would go over to the Superhero Island. I always start right and go through Seuss Landing just because I know I won't be coming back through here. There's no rides that appeal to me. And then I make my way through onward to Wizarding World of Harry Potter, try to catch a ride on Hagrid's. I don't think that's going to happen today. It is Saturday. We're just going to make our way around the Jurassic Park, past Hogwarts, and get a new view of that coaster. I think we'll get a close-up look. Maybe there will even be some people working on it, so that would be fantastic to see. So let's head on over that way and see what's going on. All right, I decided to stop. We are here at Seuss Landing, still making our way through, but there is a fantastic view of the new Jurassic Park coaster. A little bit closer as we make our way around the park. I swear the entirety of Seuss Landing smells like pixie sticks, always. It's pretty crazy. But as we can see, this is gonna have a pretty intense turn here. I don't know if that's a barrel roll or not, but we're gonna head up towards the top of that loop, or turn, and make our way down. I think this is gonna be a coaster to definitely look forward to in the coming year. This is insane. Again, let's make our way around and get a closer look. Exiting Seuss Landing into Lost Continent, there's this bridge, and I think a lot of people miss out on the amount of fish and turtles in the water to your left or right. So if you're ever on the bridge here, make sure you stop and just admire the fish and the turtles. They're pretty fantastic. I think they just like everybody's food, but let's take a look. I'm hoping y'all can see the fish below. They literally just stop at the edge of the bridge and look up, waiting for you to drop some food. I don't see any turtles this morning, but the fish are eager, waiting for some snacks. See you later, fishy. Entering Hogsmeade, and again, keeping an eye on these crowd levels. The park has been open for about 20 minutes or so, and there is already an insane amount of people here. Alright, we are on the bridge here, passing through Hogsmeade into Jurassic Park, and as you can see, these turns on this coaster are going to be tight. I'm not sure if they've mentioned a speed yet. If they have, I'll be sure to reference that next time we come back for another update. But wow, look at these turns. Super tight. If you've ridden Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure, those turns were pretty tight, but these look even sharper. Very excited for this. Alright, we made it up close. They're working on the new Jurassic Park coaster. We're outside of Pizza Predatoria. Wow. right across from the River Adventure entrance. You get a pretty impressive view of the construction going on here. Wow, and again, we mentioned those turns are gonna be tight, but wow, you're gonna be right on the edge of your seat, possibly even close to falling out. That looks insane. Get started on a little bit of rock work here. All right. It seems there's going to be a little bit of theming as well, which is fantastic. I think with Hagrid's, the bonus was that the theming around it. So having a little bit more Jurassic Park theming would be just a bonus to that. Super excited about this. Figured while I'm here, the line was only 5 minutes for the River Adventure, so why not hop on? It's always a fun bonus ride. I'm a big fan of Jurassic Park, so heading on in, it's a 5-minute wait. I'm literally walking through the line right now as we speak. Let's head in there.
To Jurassic Park.
Alrighty friends, I did just get off Jurassic Park River Adventure here at Universal's Islands of Adventure. I'm hoping y'all enjoyed this video. If you need more updates on the new Velocicoaster coming out, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll be doing more updates there soon. I'll see y'all later.